no matter your hand touches or not. Babalak IoT always promises to deliver the best comfort with genuine features and the safety guarantee of you and your family. Babalak is not a simple digital door lock, as you may notice. Push-Pull System Corporation. Push-Pull System constantly challenges itself with the innovations of new technologies. As for the door lock market, door shake was an unsolvable problem for more than 100 years, and normally caused by outdoor air pressure, indoor changes, or other external forces. Doors frequently have a problem with door shake or noise. The reason is, most doors and door frames have slightly different slopes, and the latch does not enter the striker tightly, which causes door lock latches and strikers to be spaced apart. Push-Pull System finally solved the door shake problem as a result of its technology innovation. After making an adjustment inside the door lock striker, the force of the latch spring pushing and the frictional force of the slope always make the tip of the latch stick on the slope so as to eliminate the space. The top of the slope is vertical so that the door does not open even if the latch is pushed till the end. After installation, if there is still door shaking, you can change the door striker to the opposite position. Push-Pull System generally produces each of its products with the anti-shake door prevention without latch guide, which is more efficient and safe. And also, the company designs products in a way that everyone can install them easily. Push-Pull System is developing various product advancements based on its anti-shake technology. Because of the latch that is developed with permanent magnets, latch and striker operate with gravitation. When the door is open, the latch is not protruded by the permanent magnet to the latch housing, preventing safety accidents. When the door is closed, the latch is inserted into the door striker without noise, and that provides anti-shake prevention. The security is upgraded one level through the latch bolt to prevent the door from swaying, and the latch bolt should be properly positioned in the door striker slot so that the sensor can manage the deadbolt of the door lock to close the door. Push-Pull System goes a step further with a digital door lock that is designed with a Wi-Fi wireless communication that allows remote control of the operation from a smartphone. Owners can use smartphones to check visitors from the inside or outside, and keep track of the door's condition outdoors from time to time. Push-Pull System has introduced IoT technology to enhance customer service in digital door locks. In order to provide a proper home IoT service, a strong protection against hacking is highly required. The Babalak IoT ecosystem is operated with a blockchain basis, and all customers are connected to one another, thus hacking is mutually blocked. The digital door lock is a hub of Babalak IoT that communicates with all household appliances based on Wi-Fi communication, and allows customers to control their home appliances by connecting to a digital door lock with a smartphone. As a result, customers can be assured from security incidents by being informed about all the situations arising within their homes via smartphone, anytime and anywhere. Babalak IoT is set to open up an era of true home networking. Push-Pull System is not afraid of taking up challenges, as the company accepts any challenges ahead, so as to be the first mover in the market. Push-pull system is recognized within the global market beyond Korea. With accumulated technology utilizing superior infrastructure. Endless development through technological innovation